Welcome back to Digitech Help Desk. Today I will show you how to remove viruses and malware from Windows 10 or 11 computer in 3 steps. The first step is to clean up temporary files. To do this, click the Start window and type clean mgr and select Disk Cleanup. Click OK. Select all the checkboxes from Disk Cleanup. If you want to restore any file from recycle bin in future, then leave it unchecked. Otherwise, you can check this on. Click OK, and then delete all temporary files. It will take, if you got a lot of temporary files, it will take a little while to clean all the temporary files. Once disk cleanup finished, then press Window R and then type temp, enter, and then delete all the files within the temp folder. Continue. Now press Window R again and then type %temp, select all files, delete, continue. And now let's delete the prefetch files, which prefetch files are created by the operating system each time an application is launched for the first time. These files are designed to make apps open fast, but viruses can also hide in these files, so you can delete them without causing any problem. To do that, press Window R, type prefetch, press enter, Control A to select all files within prefetch folder, press delete button from the keyboard. Then the second step is to use Windows built-in malware removal tool. Press Windows R key, type MRT, press enter. On account control window, that's security window, click yes. The Windows malicious software removal tool is free built-in malware scanner created by Microsoft that can remove the most common viruses from your computer. Now click next. If you are in a hurry, then select quick scan, otherwise go with full scan and click next. This should remove most common viruses. However, it may not be able to remove some rare or newer viruses, which is why we need to use third-party, which is third-party malware software, anti-malware software, and that is our third step. So once this finish, then we go to the next step. It will take a while, so let it finish. Once this done, then click finish. The third and last step is to download MalwareBytes, third-party malware removal software. Firstly, download MalwareBytes for free using the link in description, or go to your browser, type in MalwareBytes.com, and then you will see free download here. Click into it. Once it's downloaded, then double click to install. Yes. Install. Choose personal option. Next. Escape. Let it install. You can uninstall it if you want to after the use. Finish. Open the MalwareBytes. Now we have to run a scan. So click scan. It will start scanning to find all kind of malware Trojan infections that Windows may have missed. It will take some time to finish scanning. Once the scan has finished, quarantine any infection found and restart the computer. That's it. Now your computer will be free of viruses and malware and perform better. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe this channel, and click the notification bell below so you don't miss any further useful videos. Thank you.